Hey, Theo. We're going to open this Kinder Egg and get a bunch more eggs. Open it. Kangaroo! I can build it. You can do it. Mommy! Daddy, instead of putting a sloth, a tiger, a crocodile, a panda, a beaver, and a duck, and a kangaroo, and 2 lions, that's all you can get. That? Minion! A car from car. But Daddy, where's the basket?
What is it? Nothing cool? All right, next one. Use the truck. Use the truck to get the next one. Use the big scoop, yeah. Use the big truck. Get it out.
broken.
No, you can build it. Let me try. Pass it here. All right, go for the next one. There we go. Oh, use your truck. Oh, what truck is this over here, Theo?
A Dawn.
Whoa.
That's a Dawn truck.
A dump truck?
No, Dawn truck.
Oh.
Like, only this one is a dump truck.
That's a dump truck, yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And that's a what is that called? Excavator?
Yeah, excavator.
Wow. Oh, I can't see what you're doing. You gotta show us. What's that?
Car.
Whoa, that's like 2 cars now. I'm gonna put them all over the side here. Nice. Hey, what are we supposed to do? Use the big truck. There we go. Make sure you move it out of the way so we can see.
A bike.
A bike? Whoa. That's cool. That's cool. We got a bunch of stuff here. Got a minion, kangaroo, a car, flying thing. Theo's getting more stuff over there. All right, Theo. What is that one? What is that?
Another vampire.
Another vampire minion?
No.
Oh no, we don't like 2 of them?
No.
We got doubles now. There we go. Oh, well, we got more. How many more we got? How many more? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And one in your hand makes? No, 9. And that's what? That's 10?
Yeah.
Good job. Another car.
Yes.
My goodness.
Vroom.
All right. You get the next. You get the next one. I'm gonna start setting this stuff up here.
Like Kinder Egg.
Too many Kinder eggs, eh?
I think that's
Way too many. We got cars. So I'm gonna put them all here.
16 cars.
16. I don't know about 16, but whoa.
A whale.
A whale? Show me the whale. Hold it up. Whoa. Show it. Let's see. Put it in your hand.
I think it's a shark.
Show me.
It has a pointy top,
Yeah.
so that's why it's a shark.
Where do sharks live?
And so they're a small fish.
They live in the ocean?
Yeah.
And they're very, very dangerous, right?
Yeah, for little fish.
Little fish, yeah, they eat little fish. All right. Whoa! What are we doing? You getting the last one? How many more? Nice. That's cool. You're tough, eh?
Another car.
Oh my gosh, you have a whole collection. You have a whole garage. Just put them with the other ones here. We'll move the kangaroo over here. We'll put the cars here. Look at all these cars.
Wait.
What? Put the wheel here?
You have to put the wheel over here.
Oh, okay.
with The other animal.
All right.
Hello.
Whoa. Let's see this. We got a whale. Got a little whale there. We got a kangaroo. We got a bike. Some minions. That one's sleeping. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4 cars and a spaceship. There's a big truck right here.
A spaceship.
That's Theo's big
it's
front loader.
Daddy, I think I can put all my stuff in there.
We'll leave it there for now, and then we'll move it after. What do you got there? Oh, wow.
My frog.
Ah. You have
But
a
that
frog.
It have to.
Let me see.
Daddy, you gotta put it beside the other animal.
I'll put it right here beside the animals, yeah.
I see what else we get.
Alright. Oh,
What?
it's okay. I got it.
I'll get the animal.
Alright.
Animals. Animals.
Whoa. What is that? What is it?
Is
Koala bear?
a koala bear.
Want Daddy to build it?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Show me with your fingers. Wow. Okay. Okay.
Daddy, Allah.
Got it. Uh-oh.
Another koala bear.
2 koala bears?
Yeah.
They must be twins.
Wait. This one can be the mommy, and this one can be the baby.
Okay. Show me them.
Kiss.
Aw, mommy and baby are kissing?
Yeah.
Cool. Show me the 2 koalas together. Hold them together. Aw, show me.
They're so cute.
Aw, they're cute.
They are cute.
That's cool.
But
Leave them there.
that's-
I'll build them. 1 second. Let me just see what I can... Wow.
Allah. Ulu.
Okay. No problem. No problem. That's all right. Oh, are you all right?
Yeah.
Got too many cars over there, eh?
Yeah.
Cars, trucks. Got a kitchen. Is that your kitchen?
But I hope we will get another car. No! We got 2 red cars
2 of the same cars.
and 2 yellow cars.
That's pretty cool. I got the koala on the tree. Look at Theo. Look at him.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, here. Give it to me. I'll do it for you. I'll put it up, Theo.
Got it.
You got it? Nice. You did it.
Put it beside.
The other one? There we go.
We don't need.
Put it here.
Yeah, beside this car.
All right.
If you want a burger, I can give you burger.
Yeah, we can get a burgers after.
Are you having a bread?
How many more do we got?
3.
3 more. And the truck's empty?
1, 2, 3. Nope. Yeah. A bird.
Like a woodpecker.
So cute.
It's pretty cute.
So cute. They are so cute. These can poke trees down.
Woodpeckers.
Yeah, but they can do the trees down.
Here, I'll put it up here. The other.
Trees. Put it beside the animals.
Yeah, all the animals here. So we got all these cars. Gotta get them all lined up. Theo's getting ready to get more stuff. A couple minions.
Now we got
A
2.
sports bike, a
Now
whale,
we got 2.
a sports bike. We got 2 koalas, 2 cars, and we're still opening more stuff. What's that?
A minion.
Another minion.
Yes.
So now
It's
we
not
have
a
3.
vampire.
No, it's a different one. That's good.
But it's not. It doesn't have sharp.
Whoa. It went flying over here. I got it.
Yeah.
There you go.
How fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. You got a couple more?
Yep.
All right.
Here.
Get the truck. Get the truck. Whoa.
Let's see if we got another car. It's another whale.
Another
Put
whale.
it beside the other whale.
Okay, I'll put the whales over here. And this one here. Look at that.
And no, you gotta put it beside the other animals.
All right. We'll put them all here.
But not these. guys.
No, put the motorcycle with the. Okay, perfect. Perfect.
And
Perfect.
you guys can meet here.
Okay, perfect.
But wait.
What?
I'm going to line both of them up.
Okay.
Both of the cars. Oh, I ended up.
How many cars we got?
And
Count the cars. How many cars is there? Good job. You're getting organized. That one, I don't think it's going to stand. Well, lay him down. Lay him down.
Okay.
So, how many minions? Count the minions. Whoa. Watch your big truck. It's just running over everything. 3 minions. And how many cars?
Oh, we got another one.
How many cars do we have, Theo?
1, 2, 3.
No. You're missing some here. Look at.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 cars. Good job.
But this one's not a racing car.
No.
Only all these ones are. Now we just got one more left.
One last Kinder Surprise.
And now that I'm
Wait, maybe we should.
Isn't
Oh.
This was from my friend Steph.
Oh.
Kid didn't know that.
No.
Blast off!
It's like a rocket.
It's not kind of like a rocket.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. All our Kinder stuff. We got
And we'll see you guys in the week.
in a week.
Yeah.
All right.
Here are 2 eggs.
Perfect. And
Now-
say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.